Today we are going to discuss virtual function, right? So virtual function in C++ is a member function, like the general function, but what the difference is here is in base class we use a virtual keyword, right? And the second thing is which can be defined over written in the derived class. We will see that the other difference from the common function is here that in the derived in the derived class here we write here overridden. Okay, so let's first discuss this one. Let's understand this one with the help of an example. So here what happens here, we have taken a base class, name itself is base here. So and here class base public virtual void show. So show is the function here, and we have used a virtual keyword in the base class, right? And it is just giving a message base show, right? And then we have another derived class that is derived from the base class, and it is again having the same function name whatever we have used earlier show, but it is we are writing override here, and it is giving another message that is derived show. Okay, so there are two classes. One is the base class, one is the derived class name with here base and here derived. And then what happens here, we are giving here it is giving with the same function, it is giving different messages. Now we are coming to the main function. Here we are creating a pointer, base pointer here, and pointer name is ptr. And then through here what is happening here is we are creating two objects, one from the base of class, and that is b, and other one is derived from the derived class d. And then through pointer ptr we are first this object is pointing to here, this one is ptr to b, right? So first object, and in the then what we are doing here, we are accessing this show through the this show here through the base to uh, to the base here. You can see here this one ptr show. So this one we are through this pointer we are accessing the first function here, this one. Now uh, now we are this pointer is storing the value of d here. Okay, and through this pointer we are accessing now show. So now this pointer ptr is having the address of d, and through this ptr we are accessing the derived function here, this one derived show, right? So here we can see that in the runtime, this is not in the compile time, rather in runtime we are accessing different functions, and it is not decided pre-decided in the compile time, rather on runtime sometime it is accessing here through like through the base object, and sometime here uh, through the derived object. Okay, so this is about uh, the virtual function. So the difference from the like general function is here we are writing a virtual keyword, and the second thing is here we are writing override here in the derived function, right? And let's understand something more which is related to this topic. If show was not virtual, both class would go to the base show. So what is the meaning of this thing here? We can see here. So one important thing is here, suppose if we will write like this one, right? So pointer base, and here is scope operator we are using here, scope resolution operator. Then what will happen here, this one will then it will ignore the virtual and it will run like ordinary function. So we can change a little bit, and accordingly we can use it for different purposes, right? And one more thing is here, this is we know that arrow operator through pointer, students are having doubt what is this thing, how what it is doing. So with the help of this pointer ptr we are accessing the show function. So different function we can access through this pointer, but this pointer is at runtime it is changing the address of b or d. Okay, so this is about the virtual function. I think you have understood what is virtual function. Thank you.